Good morning, everybody. This is Sangeeta Saxena, editor, Aviation and Defence Universe, getting you live from Warela in Ladakh. We are here at the Dronathon, an event organized by Indian Army and FICCI, and I'm here at Ennord, which is displaying a drone which Zain, the man behind it, will tell us all about it. Welcome, Zain, to ADU's chat room. Wonderful to have you here. And what is this drone?
So, very good morning, everyone. This is Zain Saeed, co-founder of Ennord. We are presenting Inspector Lite, one of our flagship products. It is, first of all, made indigenously in-house in India. We have an office in IIT Delhi. We are backed by IIT Delhi, IIT Mandi Catalyst. And this product is basically an indigenous rugged product. It is a completely foldable in nature. It can fold and can be carried by one pilot, one product in one mission. So the USP of this product is it has an on-edge competition, so it can do detections in the real time. Whenever we are flying the drone, if we need some operations to detect, for example, live video feeds and human counts in the detection part, so it can be taken care by the drone. If you talk about the capabilities, it is plug and play with the battery system, having a flight time of 45 minutes, and the operational range is 12 kilometers radially, with 6 kilometers up and 6 kilometers down. Then wind resistance of 35 kilometers. Further, I would like request to Zadan to go on with the technical specification and where we have tested this, so he will introduce.
And you said it is an incubation company of IIT Delhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, okay.
Incubation company of IIT Delhi, IIT Delhi, IIM Kozhikode.
Okay. Right.
IIT Mandi as well.
IIT Mandi as well. And so this is it a logistics drone? Is it a
inspection and surveillance purpose drone with a camera of 8 megapixel day and night camera?
What is the payload?
Up to 500 grams it can.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
Good morning, myself Zadan, and I am a drone pilot here.
Speak loud.
So this is Inspector Lite from Ennord, and
just tell about where you have tested this.
I have tested in many places, many high altitude terrains like Oli and many defense areas like Rattakona, Deotal. So at the height of 16,000 MSL, and it worked very well. I have completed the parameters for like 500 meters of AGL takeoff and 5 kilometers of range with live stream and video in 4K. So we do have a certificate for that, for the completion of trials.
Right.
Yeah.
And currently we are trying here because the terrains are
So
completely different.
Currently we are in Warela Hills, and we have a trial that we will do, fortunately, and post that we will be having some another certificate as well in the list. And this product is designed for enterprise version, for defense and for commercial market as well. So it has the USP. The USP is it can carry in a one backpack, and can any one pilot, one mission can be deployed in a very easy time frame.
So at the moment, what is the status? Is it in the design phase or is it ready for manufacturing? If it gets ready, it's ready.
And we have a manufacturing setup in Delhi only,
Okay.
and we have a capacity to build 100 units a month. Yes.
Okay. Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Zain. I think it is wonderful. And at the end of the day, I hope that you are able to, when we meet next, you have sales figures to give us. Yes. And also there's a paramilitary market which also might require such sort of things for surveillance.
So we have already sold this unit to some government departments.
Okay.
And currently they are deployed in Pollution Control Board,
okay,
and with a few other departments as well.
Right. Thank you very much, Zain. Thank you so much.